Hello guys, this is Tutor Lee from ChineseTutorLee.com. Welcome to Self-Improvement Chinese course. Today let's talk about a topic. Momentum is everything. Did you ever notice that when things go well, more good things then keep happening? When bad things occur, more bad things keep happening? Often we feel like it's coincidence, but really it's not. It's the momentum that you keep rolling. Wow, wow, wow. Wait, 230. Who will want bad things keep happening? You see, we create our momentum by putting our focuses. Whatever you put your focus on, your brain receives an info saying, hey, this is important matter I want to devote more efforts on. So if you focus on the good things, your brain will put more focus on filtering out more good things from the chaotic world. So you can devote more efforts on them. If you focus on the bad things, your brain will start targeting more bad things that are happening because it's kind of like an order your brain needs to obey. Your brain can be powerful and filter out the only two bad things out from 1,507 good things that are happening in your life. No matter it's the good or bad thing, the one you put your focus on growing the momentum. Momentum is everything, and it is why maintaining a healthy habits is so crucial to us. If we create a powerful, healthy habit to follow through in life, then no matter what obstacles or challenges our lives throw at us, we can quickly bounce back and get back on track. The problem is most people unconsciously put focus on bad things they dislike. Therefore, bad things quickly keep happening like a snowball that's rolling. And then found out that they sat in a rut and being in a terrible status for weeks, months, with no end in sight. It's kind of like people make New Year resolution that they want to lose 16 pounds this year and determined to hit the gym every day. Over time, they got tired and thought it's not a big deal to just skip just one day and binge out on some fried chicken. One day, 2 days, three, and then the momentum stops. Later became never. This momentum deteriorates quickly. It then becomes so hard to get back on track because they are in the rut. The next, they give up. Let's not get trapped in the rut and keep the positive momentum rolling. In life, things get hard, especially if you had a big goal you plan to achieve. When shit hit the fan, stay calm. Don't drop the positive momentum. Just show up and do however much you can. Often the times the thing we don't want to do the most is the very thing we need to do so as to make more progress. Do a little bit every day to sustain the positive momentum instead of doing nothing at all. Let the momentum completely stop. Trust me, it'll make a whole lot difference in your life. Hope you find this helpful and keep up with the powerful habits that keep your awesome momentum rolling when it comes to improving the overall quality of your life. Okay, so now let's learn Chinese. The first sentence, 我们 means we, but in English word, 我们 sounds like woman, okay? Woman, women, women. But here is two characters. We see 我 means I, 我们 means we or us. 我们通过 through or by doing something through. 集中精力 means focus doing something. 集中精力 is a proverb. It means you pay attention to or focus on doing something. 集中精力 centralized, okay? Concentrated. You concentrate on doing something. 集中精力来创造。创造 means create 创造。气场 here means momentum. In Chinese, we say 气场 is a kind of energy or something like that. Okay, 气场。Sometimes we say 哇，他的气场很大。His momentum is powerful, like this. Especially someone can play Tai Chi, right? Okay. Sentence. 我们通过集中精力来创造气场。我们通过集中精力来创造气场。气场就是一切。Momentum is everything. 气场就是一切。不要陷入困境。Not get trapped. 困境。Difficulties, hardships here means don't get trapped in the rut, okay? 不要陷入困境。要保持 means keep, 保持 keep 积极的气场，积极的 positive 气场 momentum。永不停歇，永不停歇 is a proverb. It means keep doing something. Here means rolling, keep rolling, okay? Never stop, yeah, never stop. 永不停歇，永不 never 停歇 stop, never stop. OK, 不要陷入困境，要保持积极的气场，永不停歇。One more time, 不要陷入气场，要保持积极的气场，永不停歇。通常 often at times 我们最不想做的事情 the thing we don't want to do, we don't want the most 最不想 don't want the most 最不想做的事情就是 is 我们需要做的事情 the very thing we need to do 行动起来 here means act 以便 so as to 取得 make 更大的 more 进步 progress. OK, one more time. 通常我们最不想做的事情就是我们需要做的事情。行动起来，以便取得更大的进步。通常我们最不想做的事情就是我们需要做的事情。行动起来，以便取得更大的进步。New words, number one, 集中精力。集中精力 focus or concentrate. 集中精力 is a proverb. Every Chinese proverb has 4 words, 4 characters, okay? One more time. 集中精力 Number 2, 气场。气场 Number 3, 一切。一切 Number 4, 陷入。陷入 Number 5, 困境。困境 Number 6, 积极。积极 The first tone is first tone. Second is second tone, okay? 积极 positive. 积极 Number 7, 永不停歇。永不停歇 Never stop. 永不停歇 Number 8, 通常。通常 often the times, usually 通常 Number 9, 进步 progress. 进步。进步 Okay, let's learn again. 我们通过集中精力来创造气场。我们通过集中精力来创造气场。气场就是一切。气场就是一切。不要陷入困境。要保持积极的气场，永不停歇。不要陷入困境。 要保持积极的气场，永不停歇。通常，我们最不想做的事情，就是我们需要做的事情。行动起来，以便取得更大的进步。通常，我们最不想做的事情，就是我们需要做的事情。行动起来，以便取得更大的进步。Okay, good job, guys. Tutor Lee say goodbye in China and see you next time. And thank you. See you next time. 谢谢，下次见。